You know, you have to have that mindset. You know, you're not going to quit on yourself. You know, you're gonna, you know, keep pushing forward. And I just didn't quit. I try to tell myself, shouldn't be in your vocabulary. You know, never tell yourself that you can't do something, and you have to believe in yourself. Because at certain points I was just going through the motions, and when I started to really believe in myself and believe in, you know, what I could do, it brought me all over the world. You know, now I fight on the U.S. team. I represent our country. When I go over and I fight, I'm very, very super proud of that. And it's all because I believe in myself. So there are people who tell you, you know, they're going to be negative. They're going to say negative things. But I try to, you know, I don't surround myself with negative people. You know, I want to be on that positive plane, and I stick to, you know, my teammates and my coaches and my friends and my family who, you know, believe in me and who want to see me succeed and who are positive. So that's very, very important, is to stick with those people, you know, who want to see you succeed and who are positive. Don't listen to the negative people, because they're only going to bring you down. Right, yeah, I mean, it doesn't necessarily have to be fighting or kickboxing. It's anything that you do in life. You know, never let anyone tell you you can't do something.
For me, just because I got in there and I wasn't at 100% doesn't mean I wasn't going to give 100% of my heart, you know?
And control it and win. Does that make sense?
Yes, sir.
And to do it with high class and a good attitude and good character without selling out yourself. Does that make sense?
Sir.
Give yourself a good. Love you guys.
Sir.